So today I'm going to go over how to change the batteries in a Jazzy Air 2. I have the seat lift up to give me more room to work. If your seat lift is stuck down with no power, I will cover that at the end of the video. But we're going to start by taking off the shrouds. It's just these two screws back here. Then this back piece slides out. Then this front piece, you want to push it back, and then it comes up. Now we have access to our battery compartment. We're going to unscrew these two yellow knobs here. And that gives us access to our battery. So I'm going to undo this Velcro strap here. That's holding it in. Then we can slide the battery out, and then this connection is secured by tape. I'm going to take that off. There we go. We can undo this connection, and then we can change the cables on our batteries. Next, we are going to take off the old battery cable. I've got two 10mm wrenches. That is most likely what you're going to have. I have seen 7/16 as well, but most Air 2s I see have 10mm. So we're going to just take these off. Now we're going to put our cable on our new battery. We're going to make sure positive goes to positive and negative goes to negative. So I'm going to put the bolt through, put the cable on. There's a washer, a little lock washer, and then your nut. And then same thing with the positive side. So black to black and then red to red, and tighten it with your 10mm wrenches. Now we're going to put our battery back in the chair. We have this strap on this side. Be careful, you don't want to damage the sensor. Try to not hit that with a battery at all. And we're going to run this strap through. Tighten it and then Velcro it down. And connect these connections again, just like that. And some people like to put a piece of tape on here just to keep them extra secure. Then our cover will go back on, just like that. There's two little screw holes that these fit into. Screw them down. Then we're going to put our shrouds back on. I'm going to start with the front shroud. There's a little hook on the bottom here. That goes in here up front. So I like to set it flat, try and get that hook to go in the slot, and then push forward. Then this back slides in. Can't see on the other side. There we go. And then there's, again, two little screw holes. You might have to adjust this a little bit. You saw how I was moving it side to side until this actually went in. But yep, you're going to tighten these down. And your batteries have been replaced in your Air 2. Now, let's say you want to change the batteries in your Air 2, but your seat is down and you don't have any power. You can't raise the seat lift up. It's a little annoying, but it is possible to do. We're going to start by taking off the shroud again. So these back two screws. And then this back slides off. But what's going to happen is you can loosen this front shroud, but it's not actually going to come all the way out. We don't have enough room to work. That's okay, because we can still take this off. You just kind of have to reach your hand under and find that yellow screw. You just kind of have to work around the shroud, but you can still access the batteries this way. Almost there. So as you can see, I still can take this off and get it out of the way. And then I have access to the batteries. From here, you might be able to get the cables off or get the battery out of the way. So yeah, as you can see, I can get it out through the shroud, and then you change your battery, plug it in, and you can raise your seat lift up and give yourself more room to work once you swap the batteries, but you can get them out while the seat lift is down.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.